Hey everybody, this is Nick Rhodes with Wildlife Properties Land Company. Today I'm here in Burr Oak, Kansas. We're at the historic Wellman House, and we just want to give you guys a walkthrough tour. Check out this really cool house. There's not very many Victorians I've been into that are really this well intact and has all the built-ins, the original woodwork. We got a great front porch here. I would just love sitting on this front porch, enjoying a morning coffee or an evening sunset. Let's give you a quick panoramic here. A lot of the details you'll see, we've got a lot of the original, especially the stained glass windows on the house. We've got these unique curved glass windows. And then upstairs, I don't know if you can tell up there, but all the windows on the second floor have been updated with newer windows. So as we walk in here, this is the foyer. Got original hardwood floors. The homeowners here have a little tribute to the people that built the house, the Wellman family. You can see some old pictures of the house, some old pictures of the family. So very cool that they would honor those people. First thing you'll see is glass door, the ornate woodwork. Of course, we've got the transit windows. Most all the transit windows are either here installed or they're here out in the barn. So if you wanted to completely go back to the original, as you walk in, we've got another foyer. And I just want to swing you around here. See, there's the front door where I just came in, the living room. You'll notice this lattice work. This is incredible, incredible stuff. Over here on the wall, this is kind of interesting, but we've got another tribute that the sellers did here, which I think is just so special. But it's to the House of the Seven Gables, which is a book by Nathaniel Hawthorne. The book, The House of the Seven Gables, was really the inspiration for the Wellman lady who built the house. Legend has it here that they were in competition with another really beautiful house on the north end of town to see who could build the biggest and the best. And I think that they both turned out pretty good. So kudos to all of them. I do want to point out, we've got a built-in, our first built-in right here as you come in. And we've got the old leaded glass windows in there, which gives that wavy effect. Again, we've got the lattice work, trim, and then nice sized living room. Living room has a big bay window, and this is what I was just showing you on the outside. We've got the curved glass, looks really cool. And then as we pan back over here, you can see the dining room. Dining room is a pretty large space central to the house. We've got another massive bay window, again with that repeating curved glass and the stained glass. So just a kind of a nice, elegant feature here. This window I'm looking out faces towards the west, and then they do have a cedar windbreak on the outside there to help with just wind shear and temperature control. Here's our second built-in. This is a nice buffet. Really cool thing about this buffet china hutch is that I'll show you on the backside in the butler's pantry, there's backside doors. So you can load the china after you're washing the dishes. If you have a big dinner party, get them right into there without disturbing your guests. And pan back around here. As we come on through, we've got a classic Victorian farm style kitchen. I love all the windows and the light. This whole house is just really special with all the lighting. We've got two pantries here off the kitchen. First one is the butler's pantry. This is the back side of that china buffet I was telling you about a few seconds ago. And then we also have pantry storage. You could put a coffee bar. See, these guys have got their mixer and toaster and stuff in here. Just things that you would keep out of the way. As we pan back around here. This is the second pantry. There's also a floor access for the basement. There's 2 basement entrances. This is an interior basement entrance. There's also an exterior basement entrance. So that's for getting your bigger mechanical stuff down there. Look out the window here. We've got the chicken coop out there in the horizon and a fire pit. And then as we come through, this area here is laundry. There's our little dog sleeping in the corner, hey buddy? And the laundry connects to what is also a mudroom, back porch. So we've got your closet there, hang up all your dirty clothes as you come in. And then let me pan back around here. We've got laundry. And as we come back through, this is the full bathroom in the house. This is on the main level. I love the fact that these people for so long, the stewards of this home, have kept everything in here pretty native. The clawfoot tub, the old sink, stained glass window. This door here, I'll show you on the other side, but it goes through to a main floor office or a den. It could also be a bedroom because it's got a nice sized closet. Let me take you out there and show you that. So this is that main floor office slash parlor. Like I said, it could also be a nice sized bedroom. There's a walk-in closet. And panning back around the room. That's that door to the bathroom. So it'd be real nice if you wanted a main floor master bedroom. You would have an ensuite bathroom. And you really wouldn't have to go upstairs if you didn't need to. But let's go upstairs right now anyways. Take a look at it. Again, we got the transit windows. Some other cool things I want to show you on the way up here. Original oak staircase. We've got some really impressive sconces. There's one at the base of the staircase. And then as we go up, I'll give you another shot of that entryway. As we go up, there's the second sconce. Again, very elegant. So as we come up to the second floor, we've got a hallway here with all the bedrooms. At the top of the stairs, the first room we have, again, is another office. There's an old door that used to go out to a porch. The porch has been just replaced with a roof now, so you can't actually walk out there. But I just want to show you some of that. You can see that stained glass or that etching here. Again, we've got a bay window. It's perfect for an office or a nursery. Another one of our built-ins. I just love all the built-ins in this house. Absolutely incredible. So as we give you a shot of the stairs here. And as we swing around, here's bedroom number 1 up here on this floor. This is a nice sized bedroom. I would call this the primary bedroom, mostly because there's a pretty good size walk-in closet, walk-through closet. Let's see, it goes out to the hallway here. And then as I pan back, you can see huge space, huge space. So as we march on down, we've got another bedroom. And this bedroom here has a good sized walk-in closet with window, which I love. We've got lighting at the top or the center of the ceiling. And we also have some wall sconces. This door directly across the hallway from me here goes up to the 3rd floor. It used to be a ballroom. I'll take you up there in a minute. As we keep on down the hallway. This is, again, really nice, original bathroom. This is a half bathroom. We've got a medicine cabinet built in. Look at the tile work on that floor, all original. Pretty neat. And pan back. There's the other bedroom at the end of this hallway. I'll step into here. So again, these windows upstairs have been, for the most part, replaced. They are triple pane windows, and they match the wood feel, which is great, especially for being more updated windows. Sometimes I see a lot of white vinyl windows in these old houses, and it just doesn't look right. This one looks incredible. And as we march on out here, I'll take you up to the ballroom. It's one of my favorite pieces. So we got stained glass window. And as we turn, you can see the doorway we just came up. And I'm on the landing right now. I'm walking up. So the house has central heating and air conditioning, but the current homeowners, they put a mini split system up here. So this just provides additional heating and cooling to the house. All the gables up here have stained glass in them. And this is a really large space up here. Like I said, it used to be a ballroom. You can use it, you see they're using it as a playroom. It could be a nice sewing room, workshop, whatever you want to be. There's just so much space in here. The possibilities are absolutely limitless. So we do have a old farm style sink here. And this stays here at the property. Pretty cool. All right, and so we're all the way up here, 3rd floor. This concludes our tour for today. Appreciate you guys taking the time to watch, and hope to be showing this property to you soon. Thank you.